Life hacks you didn't even know you had. 1. A girl is away on business, just out of the shower, and found the glass of the hotel was transparent. She quickly found a few sheets of A4 paper and taped the glass all over. 2. I'm going on a blind date. The girl left early for a blind date. The girl left early to put on her makeup, but before she leaves the house, she realizes, I forgot to wash my hair. I wanted to wash my hair, but don't want to ruin her makeup. Here's a great idea. A great hair wash for kids. It works just as well for adults. Wash your hair in comfort and a little perfume. Hopefully it will be a successful blind date. 3. You still have to pass through a patch of grass every time you go to work. Through a patch of grass. Left on it in high heels. It was a bit of a struggle. Then she learned a trick from the internet. Then she learned an ingenious idea from the internet, using hot melt glue to the heels of her high heels to make a diagonal release. Put it on when crossing the grass. Walk over it. You can just take them off, and it's reusable as many times as you like. 4. Type KH on your phone. Say 99% of guys typing out of them are hacking, while the majority of girls come up with lipstick. Have you learned?